Top of the hour, let's continue getting you more updates where an encounter and search operation is underway in Dera Ki Gali area and Rajouri, adjoining the Poonch sector, where one JCO and 4 soldiers yesterday had lost their lives in a counter-terror operation on Monday. That came in as a tragic update where 5 of the Indian Army personnel were martyred on Monday after the search and cordon operations was launched in Dera Ki Gali area of Poonch district that led to the encounter with the terrorists. Now what we are getting to know, another encounter which is underway in Poonch, as we are reporting from Poonch, where we are getting to know from Dera Ki Gali area of Rajouri, where this encounter has been reported. But it is also pertinent to mention that this is the first encounter in recent times where 5 army personnel have been martyred, and this has happened when also earlier yesterday one police officer had received injuries during the encounter that was reported in Anantnag. Now the Indian Army that had issued a statement said the operation that was launched after the inputs of terrorist infiltration that was received, and thereafter additional enforcement was rushed to the spot to ensure that no further injuries happen and to nab the terrorists as well. Now, taking advantage of the dense forest area of the DKG area, the terrorists opened fire at the Indian Army. As we are awaiting details of the encounter that is still set to be underway, but this is the search operation and encounter that is underway in Dera Ki Gali area in Rajouri, adjoining the Poonch sector, where one JCO and 4 officers, 4 soldiers, 4 jawans had lost their lives yesterday in a counter-terror operation that was reported. We'll be getting live updates from our reporters there to get us the latest details as to what's been happening, because looking at the situation there in the valley in the last 2 days, encounters that have been reported in Bandipora, encounter that has been reported in Anantnag, encounter thereafter that was reported in Shopian, where 3 terrorists were killed. In both of these operations, when it comes to the targeted killings that had happened against civilians in Srinagar and in Bandipora last week, 2 of those incidents that have been avenged by our forces. Straight away going across to Gursimran now. Gursimran, what are we hearing when it comes to the Poonch encounter? Getting back, Gursimran, any second now, but what we are getting to know that this is an encounter underway between the security forces and the terrorists, and this is in the Poonch sector that we are getting to know, where in Poonch yesterday of the unfortunate tragic update that came across of 5 of the Indian Army personnel being martyred, and it was coming at a time where the terrorists took advantage of the dense forest area there, where 5 of the Indian Army soldiers who were martyred during an encounter with terrorists in Poonch, and that was reported in Dera Ki Gali area, where 5 army soldiers had lost their lives in this terror encounter, the terrorists who had opened fire taking advantage of the forest area. And that was based on intelligent inputs that the Indian Army launched a cordon and a search operation in the villages close to Dera Ki Gali, in the Poonch sector of Jammu and Kashmir, and the encounter with terrorists which was going on. Unfortunately, 1 army officer and 4 soldiers were martyred because of this terror encounter.